mortgage rates are up and the median price is up, and we're going to talk a little bit about median price today. We have 21 days of inventory. We listed 68 homes over the weekend. Probably some more stragglers will come in, so tomorrow's numbers should be even better. No closings Saturday, Sunday. We put 64 under contract, and we have 1,927 single-family homes, and that's about 100 up from our lowest this year so far. So that's good. We've listed 12 homes that were 436 and under, 436,000 and under, and that's a total of 476 single-family homes, 436,000 and under. Now, I'm not saying median price because we're going to talk about that because it jumped up. And then I'm going to show you how we determine median price. Jumping down though first to the $1 million homes. We are selling 4 a day now. We're getting up to last year's numbers, which we predicted that would happen. And it is happening. Investors still buying 44 homes a day. And that's a whole nother market for y'all. So let's see anything else outstanding here.